Hi, I'm Pulkit, and we're going to be talking about what is user onboarding. So I used to be an Instagram user a while ago, and it was a pretty simple product. And then recently they introduced stories, and I came back into it, and there wasn't much teaching on how to use it well. And so I started wondering, should they be onboarding me at that point? Am I too old for user onboarding? And so I got thinking, is there a better definition for how companies and products should be onboarding users? And working with Chameleon, we help millions of users with their user onboarding. We came up with a better, more holistic definition. So here it is. User onboarding is the system of actively guiding users to find new value in your product. Let me repeat that. User onboarding is the system of actively guiding users to find new value in your product. Let's break it down. So it's a system, which means there's interconnected parts. You have to think about the content, channels such as email, product tours, chat, docs, the cadence, the process. There's various parts of it. It's not just a one-time project. It's a whole system. It's about actively guiding. It's not just letting people discover the product or using their intuition. It's about helping them. It's for all users. It's not just for new users. And it's to find new value in your product. So that can happen throughout a user's life cycle. They can find new value when they suddenly sign up, of course. But also, if they subscribe to a higher plan, they might get new features unlocked. Or you might launch new functionality and they can be presented with new value there. And so there's different points in their life cycle where they'll be finding value, and you have to be actively guiding them to find that value throughout their life cycle. And so as you think about it, it's a little bit more than just the modal screens you see when you first sign up. You can actually use it to extend a user's understanding of your product and help them keep engaged throughout their life. So how can this help you? Well, there's this really simple takeaway. What you can do is look at your product and think about all of the places where users discover new value. So all of the times when they do something and they can unlock some extra functionality. And then think about whether you teach them at that point, and figure out what can you do to better educate them and guide them to that value. So that's one little takeaway for this. You can find a lot more insights around how to build better user onboarding on our blog. Go to www.trychameleon.com/blog to learn more. And I'll see you next time.